Everybody, now in this video we're going to do some locksmithing here. I got a Schlage Deadbolt cylinder, no keys, and I'm going to rekey it to this key here. I've got the pins laid out already. The first thing we're going to need to do is get the cap off the back here. And I'm going to insert our shim. Take a key blank. And to do is just gently push the shim in as you pull the key blank out, and if all goes to plan, it will end up between the top and bottom pins. And you can tell the cylinder has some long key pins as it's trying to push the key blank out. Should have one more to go here. There it goes. So now that we got it turned, we can take it apart. And yeah, it did have some long key pins there. And we're just going to pin it to this key here. Bidding on this was 49227 on this key. So now we got that pinned up. Put it back together, make sure it turns. And we'll just put our detent spring in, and our detent, and our cap. And this cap tool makes this a lot easier. Also, not having a camera in front of you makes it easier too, but hard to do a video without that. Alright, and back together here, and just stick our key in, turn it halfway. It's a little bit tight, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to have to take it off to put a TL piece on it if I ever have to install it somewhere anyway, so it doesn't matter. And so that's going to do it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll talk to everybody later.